Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to move music to this iPhone from iTunes. To do it, firstly you need to move music from your PC to the iTunes. So open iTunes, find music you wanna move to your iPhone, and drag this music to your iTunes library in the left panel of your iTunes. So drag it and release key. And cool, now in albums and in songs you have this music. Then you need to connect your iPhone to your PC. Click Trust on your iPhone, confirm the password. Click Continue, and I have nothing, so I need to reconnect. Set up as new iPhone. Oh my gosh, continue, get started. Okay, cool. And now here, as you can see now, when I will reconnect to my iPhone, here in devices I have my Sunshine iPhone. So what we need to do now? Now we need to open our albums or songs. If you wanna move just one song, if you wanna move a whole album, you need to open albums. I wanna move just one song. So to do it, you need to click on this song and drag it to your iPhone. Now just open music, open library, and you have it here. And in the same way you can remove music from your iPhone. And in the same way move it again. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.